I agreed with her and told her, let's touch base tomorrow morning and circle back to the client's feedback after lunch. Let's touch base. Let's touch base. Can anyone tell us what the meaning of touch base? Touch base.
أعتقد إن هما يعني يتواصلوا أو يتكلموا مع بعض بسرعة إن هما يفهموا الدنيا أكتر،
يتكلموا مع بعض ايه قلت ايه؟
يتناقشوا بطريقة أسرع. عارف اللي
برافو
هو تسهل الدنيا.
برافو. Short conversation. Short talk. فعلا. To have a short talk about something tomorrow
check.
morning and circle back to the client's feedback after lunch. So the idiom of circle back. Can anyone tell us the meaning of circle back?
To circle back.
هنرجع نعيد الموضوع تاني، يعني يتكلموا عليه
We
تاني.
will talk again about the object or the project or the client itself. They will return to that topic later after having more information. After collecting a lot of information, they will circle back to the feedback.